How to use the S875 system for offline programming and importing drawings. Begin demonstrating offline programming and importing drawings. First, open the part. Click Drive. View the files that have been stored in advance on the computer's disk. Or insert a USB drive. Directly import the corresponding file. Select the C drive. Select the 02STP file. Click Confirm. Select the material type. Select carbon steel as the material. This attempts to connect automatically. It can automatically search for data related to the sheet thickness, such as tooling configuration, etc. Click Import. Generate the bending diagram. Observe the final forming status. This is the 3D forming status. Click Return. Click Automatic. Click Start. The system will select the appropriate mold according to the product. Click OK. Prompt whether the sheet thickness is correct. Click OK. Begin calculating bending steps. Click Bending Steps. Click Automatic. The program automatically generates the bending steps. Observe the progress bar turning green. This indicates calculation is complete. Successfully generated bending steps. If it is not successful, check the mold configuration, or check the segmented length of the mold to see if there are any issues. If modifications are needed, make adjustments according to the prompts. Now it shows that the part is allowed to bend. Click OK. Generate the bending diagram and molds. Configure the actual molds for the machine. Click Simulate. Begin configuring the molds. Mold combination configuration completed. Now start the demonstration. Confirm that the part is forming correctly. Click Next Step. Click NC. Generate the bending program. Generation complete. If the program needs to be executed, click ESA Bend. Import the program into the system below. Turn on the machine. Perform normal bending. The part can then be processed and formed.